how to find CapCut templates on TikTok and more, or other places, or whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. The first thing that I'm going to do is, well, I'm here in CapCut, but unfortunately, I don't really think you can actually find the templates in CapCut. So what you want to do is go to, for example, TikTok, then the search bar, and then, for example, type in CapCut templates. See, you can already see it. And then here you can go to top. Here you have a couple of these templates, as you can see, and then you can scroll and scroll and scroll. There are also accounts literally like dedicated to CapCut templates. For example, this one, I believe, like it is only like everything are CapCut templates. So you can, for example, follow this so you won't like forget it. Same goes for this account, I believe. Yeah. So if you, for example, want to use it, obviously you can click on CapCut, try this template, and then use this template in CapCut, and then open, and then boom, you can use it here, which is cool, right? The other way to find CapCut templates is simply go to Safari or Google and search for CapCut templates. So if you search for this, and then go to their website, which they have over here, then you can see all of these CapCut templates, which is pretty cool as well. You can, for example, use these two. So let's say this one, I believe, and then you can use this template, and then you can also here again. So maybe this template, and then you can use this one as well. So those are two methods in order to use or in order to find CapCut templates on TikTok or the actual CapCut website, which is great. So I hope this quick video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Let me know in the comments if it helped you out, and have a good day.